Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Quantum Unicorn. The problem we are solving in this video is to find the indices of two numbers in a given array of integers that add up to a given target, which is 9 in case 1, 6 in case 2, and 3 respectively. We may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and we may not use the same element twice. And we can return the answer in any order. Okay, so now I'm going to do a detailed breakdown of the Python code for each line. Well, by gaining a deeper understanding of the application of Python code in the specific scenario, you will be able to better grasp the problem we are dealing with and lay a solid foundation for future learning. How exciting! Well, let's get started. And the first line, def to some self-nums list. And well, this line defines a function called toSum, which takes in three arguments: self, nums, and the target. Self is a placeholder variable that refers to the instance of the object that this function belongs to. Nums is the array of integers that we are given, and target is the integer that we are trying to add up to. Dict. This line initializes an empty dictionary called dict. A dictionary is a collection of key value pairs where each key is unique and maps to a specific value. In this case, we will use the dictionary to store each integer in nums and its corresponding index. For I in range len nums, and this line starts a for loop that iterates over the indices of nums. The range function returns a sequence of numbers starting from 0 and ending at the length of nums minus 1. If target minus numbers I not in dict. This line checks if the difference between the target and the current integer in nums I is not already in the dict. If it is not, then we add the current integer and its index to the dict. Dict nums I equals to I. This line adds the current integer in nums as a key in the dict, with its value being the current index I, else, and else. If the difference between target and nums I is already in the dict, then we have found the two integers that add up to a target. Return dict target minus I. This returns the last line returns a list of the indices of the two numbers that add up to the target. The first index is the one stored in the dictionary for the difference between the target and the current number, and the second index is a current index. The algorithm used in this code is called the hash table approach. By using a dictionary to store each integer in nums and its corresponding index, we can quickly look up if the difference between target and a current integer in nums has already been encountered before. So if it has, then we know that the current integer and the one in the dict add up to target, and we can return their indices. Overall, this code provides a solution to the toSum problem by using a hash table approach to efficiently look up pairs of integers that add up to a target. All right, that's all for today. If you have any question, please leave a comment. And also, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and click the bell icon on to receive the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.